Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to check out how easy it is to install Apache on Fedora. The first thing you need to do is to run a command like this. We're going to install software, and the -y means we don't have to keep answering yes to all the questions that it might ask us. So I'll just hit return, and we'll sit here and watch as the software gets installed on our system. Takes a little while. And now it's complete. So what I'm going to do now is just ask where it is, where's the server, and take a look at the file. You can see it's in user sbin, and you can see how big it is. Now to ensure, well, to get it started, we're going to run a command like this, because it's installed right now, but it isn't running. Once you run that command, it will start. And then I'm going to run this command to make sure that it starts up every time this system reboots. Now I'm going to look at the running processes. You can see that it is running. There's a number of Apache processes and me asking about it. So there's 5 processes there. 4 of them being run by the user Apache, 1 being run by root. And if I look at the open files or the ports here, I can see we have 4 HTTPD processes running, all listening on port 80. So that means we're in pretty good shape. Of course, if we open a browser at this point, we're just going to see a test page, at least until we get to the point of customizing the web contents. Well, that is your 2-minute tip for installing Apache on Fedora. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.